cannot believe I was able to find my dream bag, but the experience that I'm about to share with you guys actually was not really a great one. She's finally here. Hi everyone, my name is Michelle and welcome back to my channel. I will be sharing with you guys all my spring finds and my current favorites. And it's just because spring is almost here and I've been seeing so many different colors, and it's just everything is so pretty, it's screaming my name. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's talk about fashion pieces first. So Zara just launched their spring collection and I was able to snatch this blazer, which is absolutely gorgeous. It is a white blazer with double-breasted buttons with gold details. And I am just so happy and in love with all the details of this blazer. It's just so absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna match it with maybe shorts or just skinny jeans, just something really cute to kind of dress up my casual outfits. And I just cannot wait to wear it out because it's just so pretty. And I believe that this is definitely a staple and a classic piece that I'm currently wearing is also from Zara as well. I just find that this type of t-shirts, they look so good with jeans or any shorts. I am wearing a size medium because I wanted more of a loose fit, and I just feel like these type of t-shirts, they are so much more dressier compared to the normal knitted t-shirts. And yeah, I just really have been enjoying this color, and the fit, it's actually really comfortable as well. So also, I noticed at Zara they have a couple of these type of knitted t-shirts as well with the scallop details. I'll insert a couple of pictures here. And the color I remember seeing, they come in white, pink, I want to say green. But yeah, these are definitely a t-shirt that I will be wearing during spring with white jeans or with denim. And I just feel like this color cheers me up, and this will be one of my staples. Normally not a sneaker person, however, it's just the first time I saw this in like a Google image, I knew this was exactly what I wanted. So these are the New Balance. I've worn them already, so they're kind of dirty. They are the 327 if I'm correct. And this color, it's called the Antigona. So it's essentially, it's like a sea salt color with like a chocolate bottom, chocolate maroon bottom, and they are extremely comfortable. So I don't know if you guys are aware, this year there's like a trend for platform shoes. So if you look at like the Air Max 90 and a lot of the Nike and other brands, other high fashion brands, they're making a lot of platform sneakers. It's just, I found this New Balance, of course, is reasonably priced, and also the shape and the silhouette of it, it literally complements your body so well. And I definitely have been enjoying this, wearing just denim, ripped jeans, everything would go with it. You could dress it up if you want, you can dress it down. It just, they're so stunning. So far the condition of it, it's pretty good and easy to maintain because these are not white sneakers. So I'm pretty sure as I wear it more often, I'll update with you guys how the sway and everything will hold up. But just look how pretty they are. Another fashion piece that I definitely will be enjoying during the spring season is a fashion statement belt. So I got this belt, I think it was during Christmas or a little after Christmas. I already have a Gucci belt, but I wanted something that's more daintier. So I picked up this Louis Vuitton belt. And the cool thing of this belt is that it is reversible and it can be a monogram as well. So all you have to do is unclip this piece here, flip the belt, and you can use the monogram side. So far I've been using the black side only because it goes with most of my winter outfits whenever I'm wearing like a white turtleneck or a black turtleneck with denim. So I would just kind of put this, and I just feel like black and gold go so well with most of the outfits. This is definitely very easy to match and it's just so effortless. The Gucci one I have is one size bigger. If I am correct, this is the 20 millimeter and I am in the size 75. This with a pair of white shorts, then I can definitely match this on the black side of the belt or the monogram on the belt, depending on what I want. But yeah, it's just really cute and I definitely will be enjoying this piece a lot more during the springtime. I cannot believe I was able to find my dream bag, but the experience that I'm about to share with you guys actually was not really a great one. So what essentially happened was, at that time I was in Hawaii. I just wanted to drop by to see if they have the small classic mini with or without handle, to see the new collection and see what colors they have in inventory. But I knew that for my personal preference, I always enjoy gold hardware. So when I go in and ask for it, I always ask for things that are in gold hardware. And then she just literally kind of bummed out at me and said, no, those are really hard to find pieces. We don't have any of them in the inventory. So then I asked, okay, do you have any card holders or anything in gold hardware? No, we're very limited and we don't have any right now in stock. Of course, to my disappointment, I was physically only in the store for about 10-20 seconds right now, and she already rejected in all of the pieces that I wanted to see. She was not elaborating anything or wanting to sell me or show me anything. Literally kind of showing me out the door, be like, okay, there you go, bye now, we have nothing for you. Then looking down the display case, I remember it was like almost empty. Underneath the tempered glass, I asked, okay, do you have any classic flap? Just out of a whip, because I know classic flap is so hard to get right now. So never in a million years I would have thought they had it. I just thought might as well ask because this girl's cutting me short and I just wanted to just kind of throw it out there. So I asked her if the classic flap and she goes, what color? Then I said, well, I want a beige. She goes, well, walking away at this point, we only have one in stock right now and I'll just quickly show you. She was already walking away, so I just kind of followed her, and now she's walking closer to the little closet, opening up, and she said, okay, it's a beige in caviar leather. Whoa, my mind just blown. That was the bag that I've been looking for in the last 2 years' time. I've been searching for it forever because of all the price increases. Everyone's scrambling for the classic flap and I was just not able to get my name on it. And when she pulled that bag out, of course I have to hold my posture and said, okay, I would like to try that on. So, you know, she kind of like unraveled the strap for me, kind of like set it up for a double strap for me to try it on. Then she handed it over. So I tried it on, you know, just to, cannot believe that my dream literally is happening, to really see the actual item on me in front of the mirror. And then I walked back and said, okay, so here she is. This is she. She's finally here. I have been looking at so many pictures. I have been looking at all these Facebook groups or all these Instagram, and I just can't believe that she's here and I'm holding on to her right now. So this is the small classic flap, the beige clear in gold hardware. So it's just look how pretty she is. So in reference, I am 5'3" in height, so wearing a small flat bag, it's definitely more suitable for me as compared to the medium one. I do have the medium one and I do have another small one, which is a black gold hardware. I could do another video for you guys if you guys are interested, but I just wanted to show you guys this of the new spring piece or spring find or my current favorite, everything. Like, this is literally the bag that I will be holding on to the rest of my life, and it will be a forever, like forever staple into my collection. Isn't she just so gorgeous? Ah. So, I mean, I'll quickly show you guys. This is a classic double flap. So this is how it looks like inside. I have not used this before yet. And this is made in France. Oh, but she's just such a dream. So when I first bought this, I already noticed there's like hairline scratches on the classic flap because maybe some other people had tried it on before, but I don't care. One of the things that it really mattered the most to me is that I know ever since Chanel came up with the microchipped, they had a new 5 years warranty from the day of your purchase. So I was definitely not looking into the used market for it because I wanted to pick one up myself and make that warranty start on the day of my purchase because I know this will be my forever bag. So inside it is microchipped and there is no longer authentication card that comes with it. I have a lot to say. I think she's really pretty. What do I have back here? Okay, so this is how much I got it for. So the tax in Hawaii, I think it is 4.7%. I am getting a slight discount purchasing this bag. But of course, it's not as cheap as getting it in Europe because of the VAT return. But hey, it's spring 2022 and my baby is here. So pretty. Most of the pieces that I picked out, they're more beige, they're more white because generally I do enjoy more of like a neutral palette type of tone, especially for these like classic pieces. Aside from the fashion pieces that I just have explained to you, I wanted to share with you guys 2 of my favorite makeup and skincare that I have been enjoying. So for my favorite foundation that I recently have discovered, because it's spring season, so I do find my skin a little more dry and also a bit more to the sensitive side. I have been really enjoying this Givenchy, the Prisme Skin Caring Glow. So I am in the color Warm 245. This evens up my skin tone like a dream. Like, you can use your fingers, you can use a beauty blender, you can use anything. It's just so easy. So I generally just use this and with the concealer and my face is ready to go. So because this has 90% skincare in it, so my skin actually feels really happy and very extremely healthy after using this. And I would say this fades away really nicely because it doesn't have a lot of coverage. So even with wearing a mask and all that, it doesn't look all that ugly when it's faded away. But mind you, this is only good if you have little blemishes and if you're on a good skin day. Physiogel has been such a lifesaver for me. I use it every day. I use it underneath my makeup and everything just glides on so seamlessly. This is so easy to absorb into your skin, and I ordered this from Olive Young with a little gift set as well. So this is the 150 milliliter, and I also have a small little sample size of the 30 milliliter. I've never seen a facial cream this huge before, so this is definitely going to last me for a very long time, and I just think this has such a good value for it. I definitely recommend you guys to check this out. I also looked up on Google, if you are located in the US, they sell this at Costco. So check it out. It's even way cheaper because Costco don't even have shipping fee. Give this a go and you will not regret this facial cream. It's just simply amazing. So yeah, these are all my spring favorites. I mean, I haven't really been enjoying it, but these are going to be my spring favorites, and I'm just so excited to share with you guys. If you guys have any other things that you think I would like or I would like to pick up, or just anything that you'd like to share with me, please let me know. Feel free to leave a comment down below or message me, find me anyway. But yeah, so that's it. Thank you for dropping by, and I will see you guys next time.